got Mike from Continental Carpet Cleaning here cleaning our carpets. He's got this truck-mounted carpet cleaner here. It's got a gasoline motor in there. That's the HydroMaster Titan. Got very powerful action for cleaning all the carpets. So he's got the hose, the water supply hose. I guess the other hose is the suction hose. Removes the dirt. This is a lot more efficient than the machine that you get from the supermarket rental. This will do you a job. There's Mike. Hi, Mike.
Hello.
If you want to get a hold of Mike to get some work done, just contact me and I'll get you his information.